Here's what you need to know about what is a UTM device. This is an exam topic in Domain 2, Network Infrastructure. By the end of this video, you'll understand the core concepts and exactly what to expect on the CompTIA Network Plus exam. Let's get into it. A Unified Threat Management UTM device is an all-in-one security appliance that combines multiple security functions into a single platform. It typically includes a firewall, IPS, antivirus, VPN, web filtering, and spam filtering. UTMs are popular in small to medium-sized businesses that need comprehensive security without managing multiple separate devices. Key concept: all-in-one security platform. A UTM combines firewall, IPS, IDs, antivirus gateway, VPN gateway, web content filtering, and email filtering in one device. This reduces hardware costs, simplifies management, and eliminates gaps that can occur between separate security devices that do not communicate with each other. Key concept: ideal for SMB environments. Large enterprises often deploy best-of-breed individual security solutions, separate firewalls, IPS, proxies. SMBs lack the IT staff and budget for this. A UTM provides enterprise-level security in one manageable box, making it cost-effective for smaller organizations. Key concept: single point of failure. A major weakness of UTM is that it is a single point of failure. If the UTM device fails, all security functions go down simultaneously. High availability, HA, pairs with a standby UTM can mitigate this, but it adds cost. This is a known trade-off in UTM deployments. Key concept: UTM versus NGFW. A next-generation firewall, NGFW, is a high-performance alternative to UTM. NGFWs use hardware acceleration to deliver deep packet inspection at wire speed with minimal latency. UTMs use software processing and can create bottlenecks at high traffic volumes. NGFWs are preferred for large enterprises. Let's look at the full breakdown. Firewall, filters, packets by IP/port/protocol, layer 3/7, IPS, detects intrusions and known attacks. Layer 3/7, antivirus gateway scans files and downloads for malware. Layer 7, VPN gateway provides encrypted remote access tunnels. Layer 3, web filter blocks prohibited websites and categories. Layer 7, spam filter filters malicious and unwanted email. Layer 7. Here's a real-world example. A 50-person accounting firm needs to protect client financial data. Instead of buying a separate firewall, $3K, IPS, $5K, VPN appliance, $2K, and web filter, $2K, they deploy a single UTM device for $4K total. One web console manages all security policies. When an employee accidentally clicks a phishing link, the UTM web filter blocks the site, the antivirus gateway scans the download, and the IPS detects the intrusion attempt, all within the same appliance. Quick recap before you go. 1. UTM combines firewall, IPS, antivirus, VPN, web filter, and spam filter in one device. 2. Ideal for SMBs, reduces cost, complexity, and management overhead. 3. Single point of failure is the key weakness. CHA pairs address this. 4. NGFWs use hardware acceleration for high-throughput environments. UTMs use software processing. 5. UTMs simplify security but may create performance bottlenecks at high traffic volumes. That's what is a UTM device covered. Exam tip: UTM =1 device, many functions, best for SMB. NGFW high performance deep inspection, best for enterprise. If an exam question describes a small business needing firewall plus IPS plus antivirus in one box, the answer is UTM. If it describes high-throughput application layer inspection, the answer is NGFW. Next up, what is a VPN concentrator? If this helped, hit subscribe. New topics drop every week.